Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video we'll see this unboxing of this oil dispenser, which is very cute and very useful. The user has purchased this on the Flipkart for like 140 rupees or less than 150. And let us open the package and I'll show you the full details about this product. Okay, the main reason user has purchased this is for the easy use of the oil, as this contain this transparent bottle, so you can see the content of the oil inside the bottle. And this got the silicone brush. See here, silicone brush, stylish design, and there is a cap also, means oil shouldn't be kept openly, so this has the cap, brush cover, visible bottle, cleanable and large capacity. And this is like you can use this for the dressing salads, or you can use this when you're making rotis. Okay, cute duck silicone brush. As early in the video I have shown you, right, the handle is something which appears cute with the duck theme. Okay, contains oil dispenser. Okay, let us just open this from the box. Oil dispenser. So this would be one of the kitchen gadget which is under 150 rupees and which is pretty useful. I said useful because of one reason, because it has transparent surface, and the other thing is it has the cap. These two reasons were pretty impressive. That's the reason user has purchased this. See here, the color and look also looking decently good, but remember this is plastic. Okay, the bottle is plastic. Actually the silicone brush is the silicone material, this brush one. Okay, with the plastic handle only the brush is the silicone, and this is the bottle actually. Yeah, and please do comment if anyone else are already using a product which is very similar to this, and share your experience in the comments that how do you feel about this. In the next video what I'll do is I'll show you the live demonstration of using this in the real time daily usage. Okay, if anyone wants daily usage of this oil dispenser, please do ask in the comments, so that immediately I'll try to post that video. If you like this video, please do hit a like, and I'll tag these products in the view products. For more details you can just check it. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.